Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we will discuss an important healthcare law update titled Bipartisan Bill Targets Prior Authorization and Payment Practices in Medicare Advantage. On April 20th, 2026, a bipartisan group of lawmakers introduced the Medicare Advantage Improvement Act of 2026, H.R. 8375S4384, which would implement significant reforms to the Medicare Advantage MA program. The bill responds to long-standing concerns that MA plans may delay or deny medically necessary care, particularly post-acute services such as skilled nursing, through extensive use of prior authorization requirements and retroactive payment denials. The bill would impose new utilization management standards, including 72-hour turnaround times for standard prior authorization requests, 24-hour timelines for expedited prior authorization requests and appeals, and real-time determinations for certain routine services. The bill would also prohibit MA plans from applying coverage criteria that are more restrictive than traditional Medicare, and would bar retroactive payment denials following prior authorization approval. Additional provisions would require timely payment of claims, mandate that medical necessity determinations be made by appropriately qualified clinicians, and establish a compliance and accountability framework that ties financial penalties and public reporting to a plan's authorization and claims practices. For more information, contact Carol Grelecki, Member Healthcare at 973-403-3140 or cgrelecki@bracheichler.com. Or Jonathan J. Walsman, Member Healthcare at 973-403-3120 or jwalsman@bracheichler.com. Or Paul J. DiMartino Jr. Counsel, Litigation at 973-364-5228 or pdimartino@bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.